Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more recipes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and classic Indian dessert Besan Halwa, also known as gram flour halwa. This recipe is quick, simple, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup besan, gram flour, 1 tablespoon suji semolina, optional, for texture, half a cup ghee, clarified butter, half a cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons mixed dry fruits, almonds, pistachios, raisins. Step 1. Roasting the besan. First, place a heavy-bottomed pan on medium-low heat and add the ghee. Let it melt completely. Now, add the besan and suji to the pan. Stir continuously and roast the mixture on low flame. This step is crucial. Keep stirring to avoid lumps and ensure the besan doesn't burn. Roast until the mixture turns golden and releases a nutty aroma. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the sugar syrup. While the besan is roasting, take another bowl and mix the sugar, water, and cardamom powder. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved. You can also add the raisins to this mixture if you like. Step 3. Combining and cooking. Once the besan mixture is roasted and fragrant, slowly pour in the sugar syrup while stirring continuously. Be careful, it will sizzle. Mix well to avoid lumps. Cook the mixture on medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. You'll notice the ghee separating from the halwa, which means it's ready. Step 4. Adding dry fruits and serving. Add the chopped almonds, pistachios, and any other dry fruits you like. Mix well and cook for another minute. Your besan halwa is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with extra nuts if desired. That's it, simple, quick, and absolutely delicious besan halwa. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Let me know in the comments how your halwa